I remember, I believe it was in 4th or 5th grade, and I had always heard that snowflakes had distinct and unique shapes. But I had never really experienced that for myself, because when you see the snow come down, it comes down in clutters, large clutters, small clutters, and you don't actually see distinct patterns within those. And I was outside all by myself. It was like in the middle of winter, and it's about 7 p.m. at night, and one distinct flake just fell upon this black gate, and it was sharp contrast, and I could actually see the distinct shape of a snowflake. And at that point, I said, there's something to this science thing, there's something to what people tell me. I wonder if, and then from there, I started trying to answer questions on my own.
Waddell High School is in southwest Charlotte. Most of the students are minorities from low-income families, and Tamica Stubbs students are competing nationally in nanoscience and technology.
Tamica's classroom is the closest thing to a science laboratory that I've ever seen, and they actually do the work. It's not Tamica doing the work. She leads them down the garden path, lets them go, and sort of very judiciously intervenes with expertise. In my position, we struggle all the time to find communicators of science and those that can do science, and when you happen to run into one of those that can do both, like Tamica, it is a 1 in a million. It's extraordinary. Tamica is a fantastic communicator, and she also understands and engages in the processes of science.
A former student, Jennifer Telschow, is now a freshman at Stanford. In a phone interview, Jennifer struggled to find words to describe the importance of her relationship with Tamica. She said, "There is no way I or any of Ms. Stubbs' students can repay her for how she has affected our lives. She's gone way beyond any other teacher we have ever had in sending us in a positive direction."
I have a commitment to the particular environment that I'm in, which has been coined low performing. The way I see it is that, they're just kids who need a little extra help to level the playing field with their counterparts. And I think I'm more committed to this type of environment because this was me some years back. We grew up poor and came in the welfare system, and it was a single parent home and multiple children. And it was someone who actually looked at me and grabbed my hand and said, "Hey, let me show you that there's more to life than the ghetto. There's more to life than this, and that is even more to life than just academics." And it was those individuals, those teachers, who actually had like a monumental impact on me, and therefore became completely imprinted in my mind that this is how you treat others. This is what you do when you make it to the next level.